What up? I'm Melissa Fortune of Created by Fortune, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about one of my favorite spring summer trends, denim. I know. Denim has been trending for the past few seasons, but this season is a little bit different. It's more of denim on denim, think Canadian tuxedo. Denim's literally everywhere: hats, bags, shoes, shirts, jacket. It's like you cannot get away from it. So in an effort to spend and consume less, I want to start taking old pieces from my closet and breathing some new life back into them. So today we're going to start with these jeans that I got from H&M a while ago. They're high-waisted, wide leg, trend right, but the only problem is the hem. I filmed this reel a few days ago. Although I love the way I styled this outfit, the hem of the pants just wasn't doing it for me, and I did not have time to take out the hem at the time of shooting the video, so we're gonna do it now. So there's nothing new about raw edge denim, but this season it just feels fresher and trend right. And here's an example of what a raw edge hem looks like on a pair of jeans. Okay, so you can do one of two things. You can either just cut the hem off and follow the stitch line, which I don't want to do because if I cut here, I'm going to lose a ½ inch of length. So what I'm going to do is use my seam ripper to take out the stitch. You can use a seam ripper, little scissors, or a snipper tool. I'll definitely post links to where you can get these tools. A seam ripper or these snippers are pretty inexpensive, and you can find them online or at your local sewing supply store. One of the reasons I do want to take out the stitch is because the hem is folded in twice. So when I take it out, I'll actually be getting an extra inch of length, which I can use. If you can see in that video, the hem of these jeans are pretty decent, but with those heels, it could be a little bit longer. The only thing is with denim, as you can see here, denim usually starts out darker and then it's washed to get to these lighter colors. So I don't know what the inside of this is gonna look like. If it's too like dark and funky looking, then I'm not gonna keep it. I'll just chop it off here, but we'll see. I actually switched to my snippers because they're a lot sharper than my seam ripper is. The seam ripper is old. I need to get some new supplies. Then once you get an opening here, you could just cut the threads and that's much easier. Sometimes if you're lucky, the stitch will just begin to unravel. If your jeans are old, you want to be careful because at this hem, depending on how old the jeans are, if they've been through a lot, then you'll see some distressing here. Accidentally like ripped the jeans at the crease, but it's okay. We'll keep going. All right, so here we go. Okay, so here we are. The hem is taken down. I don't mind the color, actually. I'm going to take out the other hem, then iron this flat so I can really see what it looks like, and then try it on and see if I like this full length or if I just want to keep it at the original length. So I ironed the denim flat, and you can see here all the discoloration from the denim washing process. This line here is where the original stitch was. This is where the original hem was, and this extra inch was what was turned back in the hem. Now, because my jeans are so old and it's so like tattered and distressed along the original hemline, I'm just gonna cut it off here using my nice sharp shears. There we go. I'm just following that distressed line. God, it's so embarrassing. Look how gross the hem is there. Clearly, I wore these recently. There we go. Cut that off. Look, I already had a hole there. Okay. The only other thing I want to add is that once you cut through the seam here and on the other side, you're going to have to do some sort of stitch here to prevent the seam from unraveling upwards. I hope that makes sense. All right, so here we go. Don't worry if you want more of an effect like this. This will happen to these jeans once they're put in the wash. Cut the other side off. My denim now has a raw edge. And that is all, folks. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, if you're into fun, fashionable, relatable content, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. Going forward, I'll be doing a lot more fashion DIY projects, and I hope you guys come along for the ride. And with all that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.